Hello and welcome to another Naughty Egg Draw. I'm your lovely host Jake, and today I'm going to be going through making the logo for my new channel, Nerd Access. And if you guys saw in my last video, I did reveal that I'm actually working towards making a second channel where I talk about different things in the video game industry, and I needed a logo to go along with it. So to start off the year strong, let's hop into it and get this logo started. So to start off, I went to my sketchbook for some late night doodling, and I went through a couple different ideas, and I ended up wanting a design that felt retro in a way. So I ended up going with a very classic Game Boy design for the character, since the channel is going to be about different video game based stuff and whatnot. Once I had that idea down, I started adding features to him that mimicked a very stereotype of a quote-unquote nerd to match the name Nerd Access. Now when I came up with the pose he is in, I wasn't sure what he was jumping from, but I knew I wanted it to be a bit more of an action pose. It helps give the design a bit more energy, and since this is going to be a character-based logo, I want it to have a lot of energy. Now when I talk about this being a logo, I mean it in the sense of a visual mascot, much like Bullseye from Target. It's something that even if you have an actual logo for your company, that when someone sees the mascot by itself, they still know right away what company it's tied to. Now, since the channel hasn't started up yet, this is a great time to hear from any of you guys who are gamers. Let me know what stuff you would like to see me talk about on the other channel. Things like top 10 lists for games, theories you'd like to hear about from different games, and just stuff like that. I do have plans for the channel, but I would love to hear from any of you guys and what takes you guys have on it. So this is the point where I figured out what I wanted him to be jumping from. To stick with the retro idea, I went with drawing an old tube style TV that he's jumping from. I thought of this as I was drawing the character out in more detail, and I thought it'd be really cool to have this idea that he's jumping from old into the modern world. And once I was done with that idea, I didn't really have a whole lot more that I had to do to finish this piece, except for coloring in the TV and adding a banner for the name on it. Now, I'm still a little indifferent on whether I like the banner the way it is. Let me know down below if you like the name on the banner the way it is, or maybe some suggestions that you guys have that can make it look even better. But like I said, I really don't have that much left to finish, so make sure you stick around just a little bit longer to see it all completed. Alright everyone, that is it. The design process for this character-based logo is all done. Let me know what you guys think down below. I'm also working on an animation for this logo, and here's a little sneak peek of that. And in the upcoming weeks, the next couple videos will be of me making this animation, and I'm going to give you guys some little tips here and there on how I made it. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video today. If you haven't yet, make sure you smack that sub button and hit that little bell button so you guys know when I'm posting these videos. And like always, keep drawing, and until next time, bye!